Here's how to manually open the rear trunk in case of a dead or gone battery like at a junkyard, or in case of emergency like locking your key in there, or if the mechanism is broken. Behind the driver's side left wheel, there's this rear liner here. We just need to gain access to this 10mm. So at first it might be a bit tough to get this plastic off of this bolt thing right here. But once you do, all you do is you bend it back, put it over your exhaust a little, look back here, inside, and there's the cable. It'll be back there. You give it a nice solid yank. If it doesn't come out, you can use pliers to yank it as hard as you can. You fit your arm through here, yank it as hard as you can, and the rear trunk should open right up. I'm not going to use mine in case it has limited uses for it and save it for emergencies. If you don't have a jack, you can use the one that's inside the car. I just reinstall the 10mm. You can remove it using pliers if you don't have a socket. (118 foot-pounds).